Hi there, I'm Mark Lester from WSI. We've been nominated for Best New Product with TruePath, which we're really excited about. I'd like to say best of luck to all the finalists this evening and looking forward to a really good evening.
Alex Shimmery, I'm from Nottingham University Hospital NHS Trust. Yeah, I've been nominated for the Rugby Manager of the Year. It's quite exciting. Best of luck, great event, enjoy the event. Been looking forward to it all year, so just enjoy it.
My name is Eleanor Mackay and I'm from Aberdeen Laundry Services.
My name is Molly Matthews and I'm also from Aberdeen Laundry Services.
I'm like, what would my message be? Don't win, we'll win.
Offering the finalists to please all make their way to the stage.
Paul Wood from JTM Service. We're nominated in the Machinery Distributor of the Year. We are beyond excited. I'm super excited, yes, very excited. If I had a message for the other finalists, it would simply be good luck. I hope everybody does as well as they possibly can, apart from in our category, where we hope to win. But good luck, everybody.
I'm Rav Hare, CEO of Zoob, and this is Nav Delai, the founder of Zoob. We feel very pleased that we've been nominated for a number of awards. We're really excited to see how the evening goes, and we wish everyone the best of luck, and we hope that it's an eventful evening for all.
Nice one, lovely stuff. It's good to see you all in this huge room. Are we all alright? Well, this is a man, right, who's a businessman, reality TV star, then he becomes president twice. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me, right, when he has the last day of the Oval Office, when he's 82 years of age, finishes his presidency, I reckon his speech is going to go like this. Well, you know, everyone knows I've done an incredible job, I've done a great job, a fantastic job, everybody knows that, you know. Because everybody knows that fake news is one of my favorite sayings, along with, wait for it, China.
Lots of hooping and hollering. Let's turn this into Hollywood as we bring you the LADAs 2025.